This is the extension cord that Jim and we just keep reaching for it to either do Christmas lights or anything outside around our pond or in our front yard because it turns one outdoor outlet into three without a bunch of extra adapters hanging everywhere. It's a 25-foot 16-3 heavy-duty cord, and the best part in this three outlet splitter at the end is so that you can power multiple strands of lights or a wreath or an inflatable, all from one plug. And can we talk about that little glowing indicator? That tiny detail is a big deal when you're outside at dusk or it's freezing and you're trying to figure out, okay, is this even on? The light lets you see at a glance that you've got power, and it also makes the cord easier to spot in dark corners of the yard or behind bushes. We love that it's made for real outdoor use. It's weatherproof with an IP65 rating, and the SJTW jacket is tough but still flexible, so it doesn't feel like you're wrestling a stiff cord. It's rated for 13 amps, 1,625 watts, ETL listed, and it's built to handle temperatures from minus 40 degrees all the way up to 140 degrees, which honestly feels very Midwest approved. One more practical thing, it has a built-in hook and storage straps. So when the season is over, you can wrap it up neatly and hang it in instead of tossing it in a tangled pile. That alone makes cleanup feel calmer. Home sweet home tip. When you're decorating outside, use one solid outdoor rated cord like this to keep your connections tidy. Your setup looks cleaner and it's just easier to manage. Consistency is my standard. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link, at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.